Today I'm knitting the extremely stretchy 2x2 rib. Hello knitting friends and welcome back to Knit the Stitch. Today I'm knitting double or 2x2 rib. This is the front of the ribbing and this is the back, totally reversible. Because it has this great stretch quality, it's often found on the hems, cuffs and necks of garments and is used a lot in knitting socks too. It's a really useful stitch pattern. It's knit just using your basic knits and purl stitches. So if you can knit and you can purl, this one's for you. In my example here, I'm working flat and I'm using a multiple of 4 stitches, although rib stitch flat can be knit on multiples of just 2 stitches as well. However, you do need to use multiples of 4 stitches when working rib in the round, so that's why I've used a multiple of 4 today. If you're ready to knit along with me, grab your needles and some yarn and we'll cast on some stitches. I've got quite a few stitches on here today and I've already been knitting on this for a while. Wouldn't it make a lovely cosy scarf? You could just, let's say, you could just put 16 or 20 stitches on to try out the swatch. So row 1 and all the rows are simply a repeat of knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2 all the way along. I'll put the pattern details down in the description box below. Let's have a go. Knit 2, purl 2, I post new stitch pattern videos at least once a week. Be sure that you've subscribed so that you don't miss out on any. And let me know in the comments below what you're working on and whether you have any favourite designs or stitch patterns. When you finish the row and turn the knitting, simply continue the next in the same way with knit 2, purl 2. And that's all there is to the double 2x2 rib stitch. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching and enjoy knitting all your stitches.